Hey guys, welcome to the video. Ben here. Oh, look at that hat. It will not focus, but this is an awesome hat. Focus now. Ayy, smile. The Range Rover is still sat here, doing nothing. I actually got to lower it, I've realised, because of these drive shafts. They're binding up, because it's sat lifted. Not supposed to be like that. So, that's for that. For the FTX Outback Ranger 2, I've gone with a new whole complete body design. I'll probably be doing the door with you guys. Oh, actually the whole other side is missing this panel. Switch. It's mounted up right there. Switches on and off. I've got wheel well happening. But there, I've got the safety grille. This bonnet does actually open if I take out the pin like that, and then like that. Ta-da! I'm gonna put a diesel engine, the make one, pop it in there, and this piece just came off. So the materials I'm using, I'm just using plastic, hot glue, anything I've got laying around, because that's what this body is being made out of. Seeing how good of a body I can make, that's what I've got laying around, and how good it can look. So this is all plastic. This is an old Monster can. This was an old Fanta can. The rest is all plastic. And this is actually a copper wire. So, yeah. It does not like hot glue, so you have to cake it, literally. So, let's give it a little flip round. Oh look, that's my feet. Just, nope. This is refusing to cooperate with me, and I do not like it. It's because of the Land Rover. And this is a rock slider made out of glue stick. That's what this is made of, in case you were wondering. It's just glue from a glue stick. So I haven't actually worked on this side at all. So yeah. Now is the time to put a panel here. I'm going to put a floor in, and then I've actually got to keep making the cage. So look, there is no back part of the cage. When I make the back part of the cage, make the bits that go down, they will probably clip in there, I'm thinking. So yeah, I'll put you guys back on when I've done that. Alright guys, so I've made the back part of the frame, the round bit anyway, and then this piece. Still got to switch out this body post for a shorter one, but I ran into a bit of a problem. My piece isn't long enough and I ain't got no more, so I'll figure out a way to get that to work. So I'm going to end the video now. I know it's quite short, but you know, I got to figure that out. So then I guess I can let you all know in the next video. Bye.